welcome to Nigerian Food TV. Today I'll be making a simple nsala soup. Here are the ingredients. Peel the yam cubes and boil until tender. Then pound or blend to a smooth paste. You can also use sweet potatoes or Irish potatoes in the absence of yams. If you'll be using a blender, add a little of the water from the boiled yams to help you get a smooth paste. Now place the catfish into a pot. Pour enough water to cover it. Add the chopped onions, seasoning cube and salt to taste. Cook for about 15 minutes or until the fish is almost done. After 15 minutes, add the pepper, ground crayfish and the ground ogiri or iru. Now add the yam paste bit by bit and leave the soup to cook until the paste is completely dissolved and the fish is well done. Finally, add the chopped Utazi leaves. Taste for salt and simmer for 30 seconds. The Utazi leaf is optional. Thank you so much for watching, and do give us a thumb up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video.